So, how exactly did my affiliate marketing journey start? So, I very quickly wanted to speak about this because this is something that I think is important for people that are starting to look at some way of building an affiliate marketing business. And they may have come across a lot of different things. There's a ton of information around affiliate marketing. But very quickly, I thought I'd share my story because it was actually something that happened accidentally. A couple of years ago, I started a creative blog where I was really interested in writing. And, at that time, I was learning things like how to start your own blog site, um, you know, learning various aspects around design, layout, and those kinds of things. And what I found was that when I started doing a bit of research around the various ways where I could obviously learn to build my own creative blog, I used to come across a lot of these ads, which I obviously later found out were Google AdSense. And Google AdSense basically was a way for people to make some money online, where basically anyone that clicked on an ad that they allowed on their website, they could actually then obviously earn money for each click. Um, so I thought it was quite interesting because at the time I really started thinking about ways to build additional income. I really started thinking about the longer term, whether I actually wanted to carry on working in the corporate space. And I felt the only way I could actually start something was to build an affiliate marketing business because it didn't actually require me to put in a large amount of investment like any traditional business would, like a franchise. But at the same time, if I could spend at least an hour a day on it, that would be the best way for me to build an affiliate business. So it was just by chance that I started looking at these sites and I basically dove into the whole thing around how people can make money online. Obviously, things have evolved over the years. I mean, the time I'm talking about is about 10 years ago now. Um, and the unfortunate thing is that when I first started out, I also got caught up in the whole shiny object syndrome, where there was obviously a lot of people that were marketing really well. They knew how the marketing game worked, and from that, they basically found ways to obviously entice people to join various programs. And it turns out, obviously, what the program promises doesn't obviously match the value. Obviously, things have got better over the years, but the unfortunate thing is when you start out your affiliate marketing journey, it's very easy to get caught up in this whole aspect of, trying to make, maybe 4 or 5 figures within a month to 3 months. And I unfortunately also was one of those people, and it's just one of those things you learn through experience. And it was just luckily that, as I spent time researching, I found obviously mentors that could actually help me. And I managed to start making some money online through the right kind of people, the right kind of teaching, and all of that kind of information. If it's something you're looking for, you can actually look below, and there's a bit of information where you can see how you can sort of start various ways of building an affiliate marketing business. So it's quite interesting how you can start out a journey because the intention that you have initially when you start out is not always the same as what you land up doing. So I started basically with a creative blog. I found people making money online, and I thought, this is a great way to do something that's different. And the other thing is that a lot of people obviously when they get into affiliate marketing, it's really always about I would say generally 90% is about making that money. Of course, money is a great tool, but what I've learned is that through my affiliate marketing journey, I actually have been able to start learning a lot of different skills. Whether, like I mentioned, it's building a website, and in fact, websites that are not really needed to be fancy. Learning skills around copywriting. So, like when it comes to writing emails, if you're building an email list of people that are interested in your offers, learning how to write those specific emails, the kind of copy in those emails, doing video content like this, like what I'm doing right now. This is what we call organic marketing through video. And as time has gone on, I've also picked up a lot of other skills. Now, there's still skills that I'm picking up as an affiliate marketer. It does not mean that I know every aspect of affiliate marketing. I'm still learning. And that's something you need to also realize, especially if you're just starting out your affiliate marketing journey, is you have to look at it as a way of building new skills that are going to serve you in the long term, and not just about the aspect of building a business and making yourself money. I know a lot of people, for instance, and friends of mine who have actually built YouTube channels over a period of time without really spending any money. And they've obviously offered something very specific around their specific skill sets. They're focused on their vocation, whether it's some form of coaching, guidance, teaching, etc. And as time has gone on, they've obviously started making money not just from their YouTube videos, because YouTube starts paying you after a certain criteria is met in terms of views and number of subscribers, but also because people really found that their content was, one, authentic, and secondly, actually really provided value. The unfortunate thing is, when you start your affiliate marketing journey, you will find that a lot of courses kind of, for lack of a better word, don't actually provide great value based on the cost or the price that they're being charged for. Now, there can be a lot of arguments around what is the right price for a course, because it really depends on various factors in terms of the time it's been taken to build such a course, the people involved in it, the experience that they have. And I'm no specific guru when it comes to affiliate marketing, but I'm speaking about what I have seen and what I've experienced. So I thought that would be something that I would share, when I reflect back on it. And I'm very grateful that, I kind of started that process, because had I not been inquisitive and curious, I perhaps would not be on this journey where I am now, speaking to you on this video. I wouldn't have thought in a million years that I'd be doing a YouTube channel, because I know a lot of people, so when they first start out, they get really worried about being on camera. And I can tell you now, it's a very simple thing. It's really all about taking your phone. I'm actually recording this video with my phone, and not doing anything fancy with it, because I want people to connect with me, Siddharth, as a person, rather than someone who is like a great guru affiliate marketer. And hopefully that is something that you'll take into account as well, is that you don't have to be someone that's an extreme expert. You'll be very surprised what people find value in your content, even if your content is very similar to other content, because what I realize is also people connect with various people, and they may see the same kind of content with someone else, but somehow it doesn't resonate with them, whereas with other people it does. So I hope you enjoy listening to my story. And if you have any stories around that are similar to this, I would love to hear them as well. Take care, and see you in another video soon. Bye.